Hey everyone, this is Adam. He's just your average guy, and he doesn't know what to do. But then, he found BenchLab. Oh cool! It's a course in academic writing. Always had trouble writing a good article.
And I'll be the instructor for academic writing 101 course from BenchLab.
At that very moment, Adam took out his trusty notebook and pen and started learning. For 7 days. Oh, look at the time. Looks like Adam has to go home. Look who's home, and look who's excited to continue learning. But suddenly, Adam's laptop died because of a flat battery. What can he do? But not to worry, Adam, because BenchLab is also accessible through your smartphone. Full access learning. Anytime, anywhere. Not only that, you also get a nice certificate in the end.
Get curious, get skilled, get made in BenchLab.